Hey, this is PJ with CLK Supplies, and this is the over-the-door bracket. Now, this bracket is used in situations where a standard lockbox like this, you can't find anywhere to temporarily secure it to. For example, the whole house has lever handles on it, and so obviously these would just slide right in and slide right off. There's not like a knob that you can fix this over. In these situations, all you have to do is get this over-the-door bracket. All right, now I'll put links to all this in the notes below, but let me show you how to put it on and how it works here. So once you open up the shackle on the lockbox, all you're gonna do here is secure it like this. All right, so at this point, all you have to do is put it over the top of the door. As you can see, there's a nice screw hole right here, so if you want to screw this in and secure it to the door, you can. And so you'll just put that on there, you'll close the door, you'll lock it, and at that point, you're gonna have a nice secure way to mount this lockbox very cost effectively. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.